Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got another iPhone unboxing video, and it's none other than the base iPhone 15 in blue color. Similarly to the previous unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro in black titanium color, I will be going through the physical attributes on this phone. If you want to check out the iPhone 15 Pro unboxing, I have placed the link in the description box below. Let's get right into it. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the sticker tab, and every single time I unbox an Apple product, it just feels so satisfying. I just love how it sounds like when I peel the sticker tab off. And here's the first unboxing of the iPhone 15 in blue. Oh my god. It looks so good. Wow. Is this even blue? As soon as I lift the cover off the box, we are greeted immediately with the color of the phone. We'll take a closer look at the color in just a bit, but first, let's see what else comes in the box. We have your tiny instruction booklet with your Apple stickers, and also here is your SIM ejection tool. So this is what you get in the box. Also, similarly to the iPhone 15 Pro models, what you get here is the USB-C cables. It's a thick braided nylon, similar to the MacBook charging cables. And I would say the transition to USB-C is most definitely the biggest change to all the new iPhone 15 models. So now let's take a closer look at the color. Although this iPhone 15 model is blue, this is a really light blue, almost like a soft pale blue kind of color. I do think that Apple should offer the base neutral colors like black and white for their phones. However, this isn't the case for the iPhone 15. It comes in 5 different colors, but there is no white colored iPhone. It's funny how this blue color is the closest you get to a white iPhone. I feel that it's important to have the standard base colors first, then go ahead with coming up with all the other fun colors. For the first time on the iPhone 15 standard lineup, you are getting that color infused glass back, and it makes the device feel so much better in the hand. I hated the previous glossiness look of the iPhone because once you touch it, you start to get fingerprints literally everywhere. This just feels so much better in the hand, so I'm just glad that they decided to do that. There are also other things about this phone that are new. So if we flip this over to the front and peel off the sticker, what you'll notice is that this phone has Dynamic Island now for the first time on the iPhone base models. Taking a close-up look of the phone, I really like the touch feel of the iPhone on the back. It feels really smooth and it does not leave any fingerprint residues. So let us take a closer look at the design aesthetics of the iPhone 15. You can see the difference as there are some subtle tweaks to make it look really elegant. You can also see that there's a lot more smooth edges around the perimeter of the iPhone 15. So one key difference to note is that the iPhone 15 base model is using aluminium around the edges. So when it comes to durability, this is going to be softer and may help protect the glass back just a little bit. For comparison, here I have the iPhone 15 Pro on the left, which is made of titanium, and it feels pretty dense. In terms of hand feel comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro really does feel a lot more premium, but it doesn't mean that the iPhone 15 feels any lesser. At the bottom of the phone, you do get that USB-C port. However, on the left side of the phone is where things are a little different between the base and Pro model. On the Pro model, you do get the action button, whereas on the regular 15, you still have that lock for your ring silent switch right here. So this is definitely not an action button. There is no option for you to change what it does. It doesn't really make sense to me to have inconsistencies in the lineup of the iPhones. Although it may seem trivial, I'm thinking that's just how they justify to you to pay more for upgrades to the Pro version. On the back of the phone, you're going to get these 2 new cameras, which are 48 megapixels. You don't have the 5x telephoto lens like you do on the iPhone 15 Pro models. However, it's sufficient for a standard camera setup. If you own any of the iPhone 15 models, I also created a video to show you what are the best camera settings to take the best looking photos, and have dropped the link in the description box below. I'm really curious to see how well the camera on the iPhone 15 are going to be this year, because the upgrades that they did on this are quite impressive. Aside from the changes to the build quality on the phone, one sad thing about the iPhone 15 is the regular 60Hz. This isn't going to be a ProMotion panel, and as much as I wish they would have upgraded the display for the price tag of 1,299 Singapore dollars, they did not. Unfortunately, this is the point that I feel sad about the phone, and it would have been great if they did upgrade the display. Let's see if that happens on the next iPhone release. I've decided to get a very simple iPhone 15 clear case with MagSafe from Ugreen to show you how the iPhone 15 looks with the casing. This phone case right here costs less than 15 Singapore dollars, and it's thin, sturdy, and lightweight. So it's a really simple case, and it's a mix of polycarbonate, acrylic, and TPU kind of material. Most brands nowadays are marketing their anti-yellowing technology because most cases with TPU material tend to turn yellowish over time when exposed to water, sweat, and dirt. So I'm going to put the phone into the case right here. So here's the overall look of the iPhone 15 in blue with a clear casing. As usual, it's nice to hold it in your hands. What do you think about the phone? Is it worth upgrading to? If you are looking for other type of cases like silicone cases or fine woven cases, there are many brands out there, and it's a matter of how much money you are willing to spend. Otherwise, you can also consider Apple branded cases, which will set you back minimally at around 75 Singapore dollars. So for a fraction of the price that you are paying for, I would say that getting a third-party case like this is fairly worth it. My closing thoughts is, if you can live with a 60Hz display, I think the value of the phone is fairly decent. The performance of the phone, the upgraded camera sensors, and the fact that you can get it at 128 gigs right now, you can't really go wrong with the iPhone 15. It seems that Apple have really paid a lot more attention to the base model iPhone this year. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the iPhone 15 base model from Apple. If you enjoyed watching the video, let me know down in the comments below. If you want to see more comparisons between the iPhone 15 versus the iPhone 15 Pro, do leave a like on this video and it will help me out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I'll see y'all on the next video.